Welcome again, viewers and subscribers. I'm not know if you know this call center in a Portmore, St Catherine, but they have 31 workers who tested positive for the COVID-19. And remember, if you're first time to the channel, subscribe so you can keep up to date. So, let me read what I go on right now so you can hear. Another 31 workers at the Portmore St Catherine based business process outsource BPO company, Alorica, has tested positive for the COVID-19. There are among 32 new COVID-19 cases in Jamaica, bringing the total of confirmed infections in the island to 105. The new cases involve 5 males and 27 female, all from St Catherine, Kingston, St Andrew. Health Minister Dr Tufton announced at the press conference at Jamaica House a short while ago. The development comes days after it was revealed over the weekend that 2 employees of the call center has been infected with the disease. It will likely fuel a growing concern over the presumed vulnerability of the BPO sector. The coronavirus pandemic, which some people suggest that the Holness administration should temporarily lock down the industry. Well, viewers and subscribers, as you can see, that 31 more people get infected, plus by the amount we have already. In total, now we have 105 cases in all. Anyway, people, thanks for tuning in. Peace. Until next time.